Hello, today we're going to be, I forgot the word. Today we're going to be filming this fridge. Open up fridge, stuff something in here, stuff something in here, and stuff something in here. I already put the stickers in it. So I'm going to go find some stuff. Right. See you in a couple of seconds. So now I've found some stuff. I'm going to use this notebook. And I'm going to open this up. It's going to be in here. I'm going to use this pencil. Plain normal pencil. Santa got me a lot. A lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. This pen. A flower blossom pen. This bendy pencil with a rubber and a thingy. I just use it as a rubber. Another pencil but pink. This pen to write up with on the book. This pencil to write on with the book. A rubber that's gonna go in here. In here. Yeah. Another rubber to put in there. These two magical smoothies that my friend gave me. And 2 chocolate coins from my neighbour. And then that's it. If you want a tour of it, I'll do it right now. 1 second. Came back. So I'm going to show you the tour of my fridge. Keep getting the word. So my book here, all my pencils in here. And then this one's very cute. So blah, 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 blah. There. And then that's it. Bye-bye.